Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the free bot system and what you're going to get with it. Now, it's a bot system that allows you to close sales on autopilot. You no longer need a landing page, but I do still recommend using one. And here's what you get, okay? So point and click done for you custom web pages with custom chat conversations. All right, and it's going to be a free bot system that all you have to do is put in the conversations or edit the conversations, and the bot will do the rest for you. All right, and then here's also what you get for social media advertisement, links to share on social media. You get these cool banner ads. All right, I'll show you right now. You get videos to share on YouTube or your social media. Frequently asked questions, you get training, professionally written emails. So that's if you don't know what to say, it's ad copy for solo ads or anything else you want to do. All right, and there is three streams of income here. All right, the first residual income stream is called the free bot plan. It's so easy to get anyone to use because they can join for free. And then based on the number of contacts used by the free bot system members, commissions is paid as a percentage of whatever clients pay us forever. All right, and 1 through 100 contacts is a monthly fee of zero cost, so you don't have to pay anything if you have 1 through 100 contacts. Now 101 through 500 contacts, only $10 a month, so that's still cheap. And then 501 to 1,000 contacts, it's only $15, and so on. So our second residual income stream is called our VIP club, where members get email systems included, save $20 per month or more by needing to use an external third-party email service like Aweber GetResponse. This will save you at least $240 per year for life. Unlimited done for you custom web pages with custom automated chat conversations. People who are not VIP club members get just 2 web pages with automated chat conversations. Endless free lead mobile, over 60 videos and 75 scripts to help connect, communicate, and close over 2 billion people on social media. A vacation certificate after 3 months of being a VIP club member, valued at over $1,000. All right. And the third one, our third income stream is very limited, only 129 available spots left for the lifetime bot, and it pays out a $150 bonus for each lifetime bot purchase. Anyone under you for unlimited levels that purchases a lifetime bot will earn $150 for the first person above them that purchased a lifetime bot. There are only 129 lifetime bots available during the pre-launch, so they will go quickly. There is a $150 bonus when someone buys a lifetime bot. Okay, the lifetime bot can be earned from infinity deep levels. If you have purchased a lifetime bot, you prefer a person who then prefers B who refers C, etc. to person Z, and Z buys a lifetime bot, and nobody from A to Y owns a lifetime bot, then the first lifetime bot owner above Z, you would get the $150 bonus. So that's pretty good. All right, and here's the charts, the different levels. And so I'm ready. I have people in my downline. So if you are interested in purchasing the lifetime bot, go ahead and click on the link below for free and get started. Thank you.